The changes to Gnowangerup campus have been the renovation of the two new learning centres, the primary and the secondary learning spaces, which has transformed our school from being traditional type classrooms to innovative new learning spaces.
The Learning Centre is a fantastic environment for students to work on self-directed learning. There are lots of opportunities for them to work in either quiet zones or in collaborative spaces. There is also places for them to go and actually do lessons where they zoom in with their teachers of different subjects and engage in their lessons with their teachers.
The new Learning Centre for me is so supportive of my learning. The zoning of the Learning Centre between the collaborative, semi-collaborative and focused spaces, and also the studios, it just promotes an environment of productivity and self-direction. You can lead your own learning, you can do it from whatever space you like.
So the changes that have happened in both the primary and secondary learning centre is just creating a bit more of a professional feel. In the secondary learning centre, we've created designated focus spaces that have screens and monitors and cubicles. That allows kids that want to focus and do some independent study time. That gives them the facility and the space to do that. Primary space, it's important that the primary kids can break out into different spaces because the Learning to Learn framework as OSG as a school flows down into primary. So it's important that they have good practices, good opportunities to learn in different environments and different spaces, and that's what they can now do in the primary space.
I like how we're all connected now. It's like all year groups are together in one building and we've got access to lots of teachers.
They are super spaces. I feel very comfortable working in them. I prefer to work in them. They just enhance the students' study experience a lot more, gives them a lot of choices, and it's just a really comfortable space to be in.
It's been a year and a half in the making to celebrate the opening of these two learning spaces, and what the students now have is something truly innovative, which is only going to help their learning.